run a successful business, you need to engage and inspire your employees. Corporate brand leadership starts from the inside. The opportunity. This book is about unlocking the full potential of your corporate brand, driving growth, driving and building trust, and ensuring relevance of your organization's most important brand. The tool, the brand matrix, helps you to define, it helps you to align and also redefine your corporate brand and what it stands for. The applications, IKEA, Trek Bikes, Volvo, and even the Nobel Foundations are cases in the book that actually bridges theory and practice. The outcome. So, if you're a board member, if you're a part of an executive team, or if you're in a startup, or simply curious about how corporate branding can help you, this book will help you to lead with purpose, clarity, and resilience. So, welcome to the Brand Matrix.